Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 10th, 2024. And in this edition, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 Stars Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku number 9415. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 24 printed digits. Yes, a 4 Star Sudoku is truly a 4 Star Sudoku is always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright, we have here 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 4 6s. Alright, 4 7s, no 8s, and 2 3 9s. So the 1s, the 6s, and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 1s? Yes. Well, in this column we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this big square, and a 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 1. No, I cannot continue with 1 now. I need to wait. 1 1 1. Okay. How about the 6 6 6 6? 6, yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 6. How about the 7s? 7 7 7 7. Cannot continue. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. And we need a 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Okay. I need a 9 here. Well, 5 5 5. This one is a hard one. You have 4 here. 4 there. Well. Need a 2 there. 3. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level the 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. 7. Well. You know, 1. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there, need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. Need a 4 here. And a 9 there. 1, 2, 9, and an 8. 9, 9, 9, 9. Oh, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on, come on. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in this column, last column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 7 there, okay. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 6. Alright. Need a 3 here. Need a 6, need a 9, 3, 6, 9. How about the 2? Need a 2 there, need a 2 here. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 2 and a 7. Let me drink something. 7 minutes already passed. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place level 9 should be there. So the 8, 1 and 8 are left. We have a 1 in the first row. Oh, sorry, 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. Then 3 and a 5, okay. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. Yeah. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6. Let me mark those. That means the other 2 should be the 5 and 8. 3, 5, and 8. Well, 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 5 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 4, 8, and that. Need a 5 here. Yeah, need a 5 here. Come on. 'And I need a 3 here. 2 there. Need a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left. 4. 8 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 2 numbers. Oh no. Do you have all the 4s? No. Well, 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. We need 8 there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 7, we have a 2 now in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Need a 3 here. Well, how about, come on. I need a 6 in this row. Here give me 6. We have a 6 in this big square, no 6 there. Here give me 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. The only place level 6 in the middle row should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 5 and 8. I need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place level 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, a 5 and an 8 in this column. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. I've marked this box with 5 or an 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so this box should be a 5. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final number in this big square, I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 14 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.